If you want to free up space on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find the device care option in here. And there we go, then we can proceed to the storage option. In here we have the summary of our storage, so we can see exactly how much space is taken by specific file categories, like for example videos in here, images, audio files, and so on and so forth. This can give you a rough idea of course, something that you might want to take a look at in order to get rid of things that you no longer need. And of course, files is I guess, the most important part of cleaning the storage, so you can decide which files you no longer need. If you have lots of videos, of course, they are going to take lots of space, so you can go to the videos over here and you can try to find videos that you, for example, no longer need on your phone, so you can select them and remove them over here quite easily. Besides that, we can see duplicate files option, so your phone can detect files that are probably duplicated. If you have some duplications, of course, it just takes space, so you can get rid of something that you no longer need, since because you don't really probably need two files that are exactly the same. Besides that, we have large files category as well, so you can see files that are considered as large. In this case, we have a couple of categories, so files that have over 25 megabytes, over 100 megabytes, and over 300 megabytes. If you tap on these three dots that we have on the right side of the phone, then you can choose the large file size, so you can decide which or what size should be considered as large. Over here we have three main options, but we can also set up a custom size instead. So here we can also have like a rough idea of some files that you might want to delete from your phone if you don't really need to keep them. You don't have to delete all of them, of course, it's up to you what you keep on your phone, but this can be a good idea. Also, in here we can find sometimes a couple of suggestions, like for example here it says that we can free up some megabytes of space by deleting installation files that we have installed. So we can of course do that. We can also find some additional options, like we can review old images and so on and so forth. We also have trash, which of course also takes space, so just because you deleted some files, it doesn't mean that they are gone forever. So they land in the trash first for 30 days, so you have the option to recover them in case you change your mind. But if you are 100% certain that you don't need them anymore, then of course you can go to the trash and you can select files that should be removed forever in order to actually free up the space. So be sure to check out the trash if you especially if you deleted lots of files recently. Also, we can see unused apps after some time, and this is pretty much a summary of apps that are barely used or used not at all. So if you have any apps that you don't use at all, then probably you can find them in here, so you might want to decide to uninstall them if you in fact don't need them to have on your phone. And that is pretty much it. One additional thing that I can recommend you to do is go to apps. So if you open the list of apps, then of course here we can see the list of apps, which in this case, if you go from the manage storage option, so here we have the apps category. If I tap over here, I immediately open the list of apps. If you go to apps from settings, then you can tap on this icon on the right side and you can sort it by size. So you can see apps that are the biggest first. So then you can decide if you want to keep them on your phone or not. So you can probably get some space back with this as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.